Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display product sort by most recent in WooCommerce shop page in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page and then you see product in alphabetic order. So we are going to change it to most recent product. Now go to customize section and then you see multiple option and then you see WooCommerce, so click on it and then you see multiple option again and then you see product catalog, so click on it and then you see default product sorting drop down, you see multiple option. Now select sort by most recent and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to shop page and refresh the page. Now you see product sorting by latest, you see sort by latest by default. So in customize setting, you can select option according to your requirement and then click on publish. Go to shop page. Now you see latest product show on shop page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.